made it back from town all right. Grain's gone up another $1 a bag, folks. Time to do some serious culling. So it's a little damp out. We're supposed to get some awful mess tomorrow, but it's alright. I've got enough to do inside. But I want to touch on something. I posted a video earlier. I haven't gone back to look at it, folks. I'll sit down a little bit later and look over the comments. I did see where there was some comments. Thank you very much. But you know, someone said to me not too long ago, preppers will get the last laugh. In the end, preppers will be the ones that have prepared, that have thought ahead, have set themselves up for hard times, right? For whatever comes down the road. Preppers will get the last laugh. Meaning, those who didn't prep won't be laughing, right? Well, folks, I didn't like that comment. I still don't like that comment. And at the time, I had a little discussion with that person that made that comment. I'm talking a year ago. 8 months, 10 months ago. You know, back when I was trying to wake people up. Preppers will get the last laugh. Well, no, they won't, folks. And if preppers are getting if something happened, and there's a lot of people suffering, and a lot of people starving, and if a prepper is laughing at somebody else's suffering, that's nobody I want on my team. We're better than that, folks. We're better than that. Now, I'm not saying preppers are perfect. I'm not saying any of that. Everybody's got their own personality, right? You got some nice people. You got some downright assholes, right? Same as in the prepper community. Same. People are people, folks. Okay? It's just one hobby and another hobby. You got a hobby of prepping, you've got a hobby of panning for gold. Right? Just two different hobbies. People are still people. People are going to be nice, people are going to be assholes, and everything in between, right? So, if the shit ever hit the fan, folks, and if you're going to be standing there or sitting on your stash that you've worked really hard over, I'll admit, you worked really hard over. I get that. But if you're going to be sitting on that pile of prepper gold, and you're laughing because now you're king, and there's everybody suffering, right? Everybody's suffering around you. And you're getting the last laugh? You are nobody I want to be associated with. No, sir. I don't want you anywheres near me. Don't want you anywheres near me. But I get what they were saying. Initially, is who the preppers will get the last laugh. It's just it's just something to say, right? In other words, the preppers were right, correct? But this guy was being really rotten about it, and he really meant it. He really meant it. So, folks, if it ever come that bad, and people are starving, and people are scared, and they are, and I understand, yes, they should have listened, okay? They should have been paying attention. I get that. I get that. And if they come to your door, and they didn't prepare, and they want to take up your residence. I get it. I get it. I understand. I understand all that. But if you turn them away with a smile and saying you're getting what you're getting because you didn't plan, I'm getting the last laugh, right? No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No one gets the last laugh if it ever comes down to that, folks. If it's that bad, nobody is getting the last laugh, even if the people that have prepared, they're not getting the last laugh. They shouldn't be. And if they are, they need to go bye-bye. There's nobody I want around me. That makes them a very dangerous person. That makes them a very sadistic person. Okay? If they're that heartless, they need to go bye-bye. Okay? Now they can sit on their pile of gold. And by gold, I mean in stash. I mean in food, right? Supplies. They can sit there on that pile of preps. And they can gloat. And they can gloat by themselves. Because I won't have anything to do with them. Gotta have heart, folks. Gotta have heart. Now, I'm not saying that you work 40 hours a week and you're planning, you're prepping, you're putting in all the hard work, and for you to give everybody that comes to your door a little bit of that prep. I'm not saying that, okay? I'm not saying that. Go way back to my first video, folks, okay, which brought a lot of you here. It's about a month ago. So I'm not saying that. But if we do that with a laugh, or we do that with a smirk, or if we're boasting, or if you feel like you're king of the shit pile, I don't need you. I don't want you anywhere near me. Okay? If it ever come that bad, stay right away from me. Stay right away from me. So that's all I've got to say, folks. No, it isn't. When you are planning, if you're just starting out and you are trying to plan, I know it's overwhelming. I know it's overwhelming, and you're cramming. You've got to start cramming, folks, if you're going to prepare. What I do is take one area. It could be, let's just say, security. Okay? I am at my place, and I'm thinking of all the places that somebody could either come through the woods, come through the water, come down the road, come the air. And I'm standing there, and I am saying, okay, who would ever come in here? There's a whole list of people, right? People looking to steal from you, people looking to hide, people looking for a night out, people looking for a glass of water, people looking for a chicken, people looking to barter, people looking to swap. Okay, who will come in here? What will they bring with them? Will they bring other people? Will they bring a clan? What will they bring to offer for a trade? What do they have in their hands? What? Who, what, when? When could somebody come in and try to get what you have or seek help? Well, that would be any time of the day, right? And if they're malicious about it, probably be after dark. So who, what, when, where? Where? What area are they most likely to come from? So who, what, when, where? How? You can put how in there, but don't ever put why. Okay? Why should not even be entered in that whatsoever, right? Because we might be able to figure out who, what, when, where, and how, but the why, at that point, you're not going to want to know why. It won't matter why. It won't matter why. Okay, it's just that they are here. Okay, so the why doesn't matter. Just like if you're filling out a state reportable event, the why doesn't even figure into that because we can't read their mind, right? So who, what, when, where, and how. Okay? Try to do that. Try to do that with your food. Try to do that with your preps. Try to do that with your security. Any area, any facet of your planning. Okay? Who, what, when, where, and how. Not why.